What's it been? Or the other people?
That's Brittany. And that's Lucy. That's Randy's. Today's her birthday.
And how old are you? You're how old?
I'm 3.
Can't get her to understand she's 3 now.
Happy birthday.
So how you doing?
Better.
Good.
I can at least talk now.
Good.
For a while I couldn't even talk.
Huh.
He can.
You're looking good. And who are you?
I'm Mary.
So that must be
Linda. Yeah. I'm doing my very best to take care of him in a good way.
Well, good. Looking good.
Yeah. Well, I feel good, except that I just can't put together a good walk.
Oh.
We've been getting a little better every day.
Well, that's good. I'm glad. Yeah, we started out yesterday morning at 6 o'clock.
Should have been here last night.
We know. No, we started out at, we ended up at Eureka and we left Eureka at 8 o'clock this morning. Yeah, we came down the coastway, but we're not going back that way.
You came on Highway 1, right again on the ocean?
Yeah.
Oh my.
Well, one person would say go this way, and another one would go that way. Well, go this way. So we kind of almost flipped a coin, and it ended up 101.
Oh, 101's okay.
101's the best way to go.
101 is good, just not Highway 1.
No, yeah, it was 101 we came down.
101's not bad. I-5 is the fastest.
I think that's the way we're going back.
No, I-5 is the one that everybody takes.
Yeah, it's 4 lanes and it's like 75 miles an hour. Truckers all take it and fly through.
So, where's Brenda?
She went to the store. She said if you got here, she'd be back very soon.
That was 2 hours ago.
Yeah.
He is the slowest shopper I've ever seen.
True.
We better turn that off and not have that come in on this video.
Well,
The video. I'm taking the video.
what do you want me to turn on?
I should turn this off so she doesn't hear him say she's the slowest shopper.
Oh, that's right.
And, you get things.
She knows that we say that
That
about her.
happened weeks ago, or
Yeah.
yesterday. I missed the whole day.
Huh. Well, you're not going to miss this day. Yeah, I called Brenda and told her I was coming and told her not to tell you.